Tonight, I'm gonna show you how to clean upholstery. I know, I'm not a cleaner guy, but I'm telling you, I've got a secret weapon that works every time, that was given to me by a large furniture warranty guy. Let me rephrase that. It was a large furniture store he worked for, not he was a large furniture store worker guy. Get that all clear. We picked up some nice used seats for Tetanus, our Foxbody build. They're badass seats. They're just dirty and stained from normal use. That one's a little kinked from being in a roll cart or a roll bar. Trick to clean upholstery, clean your furniture, clean carpet, to clean anything. And I'm probably gonna piss off some big furniture stores because the service tech from one of them doing warranty work on a couch we used to own is the one that put me on game on this trick. So couches, dirty kids, infant kids, drunk friends, fingernail polish, I don't know. So some of you have actually been to the shop here, and if you have, you know about our driveway. It is an absolute horrible driveway. About a quarter-mile long, uphill, water runs through it. I don't care if you bulldoze it, if you excavate it, if you bring gravel in, if you bring filings in. It doesn't matter. It all ends up at the bottom of the hill at some point. 20 years ago, a tan couch in the house. The couch we bought was from a major furniture store, like a Rooms Go somewhere, and we purchased the warranty. Part of the warranty was they'll come out anytime you request and clean your couch. There's not a single stain on that booger they can't get clean. And if they can't get it clean, they'll replace your couch. That was the bit that was sold to us. That was the bit we bought. A couple of times we called them out. It was a tan couch. I mean, you've seen the crap I do. I'm gonna thrash a tan couch. Sprinkle a little newborn into that, and it's chaos. Every day it's chaos. Every other day it seemed like we were calling this guy. So eventually the service tech came out one time and he says, look, dude, I'm not supposed to tell you this, but I cannot drive up that driveway anymore. This is what we use. This is where you get it. Call me if you need to, but I'm just gonna come out here, spray this thing down, tell you to turn on the ceiling fan and let it dry. It's like $12 a bottle. A bottle will last you like a year. Normally I wouldn't tell anybody this, but I am done driving up your driveway. And coincidentally, that might be the only time in my life our driveway has played out in our favor. All you do is spray the couch down, rub it just a little bit, turn on the ceiling fans, let it dry, and it's clean. I don't know what's in it. I don't need to know what's in it. All I know is it works. Folex, instant carpet spot remover. Now, not an affiliate deal. I don't get paid anything for telling you about this. Telling you about this because it works and it's cheap. Let's see the magic. So like I said, these seats are really rad, but there's a water stain there, you know, some stains there from having sodas between your legs. Stains. Let's see what this stuff does. The instructions are very specific. No rinsing, vacuuming, or waiting to see results. Spots vanish before your eyes. Amazing surfactant action. Instantly remove stubborn grease, dirt, and grime. Now, before using, test a hidden area of material to be clean. I've never done that. Everything that ever has said that, I've never done it. What I do try to do is, if the item I'm trying to clean is black, I'm gonna clean it with a black rag. I'm gonna use an old Mugg Custom t-shirt, which you can actually buy at muggcustoms.com. Shameless plug. We have this shirt, and we have the wagon shirt, the one that I'm wearing. Another shameless plug. This says no wiping on a hard press stain. The service tech always told me to wipe. He would spray these couches down and set them up, the cushions up, and he would leave. He'd be like, you're good, bro. Let that dry. You'll be solid. So here we go. We're just gonna do the seat bottom for now. You can tell. Already the water spot's gone. And that cushion is already black again. I'm gonna recline it so I can get them cracks and nevises. Whoa, that is filthy in there. So you want to pretty much coat the whole thing, and then you want to make sure the whole thing is saturated. Same. And then it'll dry, and when it dries, it's just like done. I don't understand it either.
At Mugg Customs, we only ride around in the finest vehicles. Like one of these.
Pull codes before we do anything.
Right.
Like, there's a good chance that's all it ever was.
Right. Is that a Corbeau?
It is.